face if you pantan by ye me day ye twemu ya na odini birthday so ehye kama na adwen ye nyina emu adda ho na funny face that pantan hono na wono so oye underground works that is wo sumo obi ekọ eye Vanessa fie ho sama nipa no de nkola no trimi e di abre no nipa no etimi de ne funny face ne ma no trimi e di abre kwan o person ofa ehu se nkola no eye ne mba no funny face di by na che say medical report aba na say DNA report aba say enkola miensa na one Vanessa awo de bia obodam wo ho ankrofo e di na ni twitwifom wo ho ne nyina sa nkola no ba kokra ni wa sebe ye na atopa ba atopa na obu one Vanessa bu ye nya eye ba na obi adikan ye pie gu mu asama gate na krosu ansa no funny face no e de ne die gu so ntifa na ayi funny face say tinto time kola yi se se amahu se wo mu ye me ba dia bibie no ana se sika bie no a me say won kola na ebo mu pictures any flames e bobo board funny face dem nya sabre die wo de ja ato ne nyina mu ma ye hwe funny.
Yeah, you know what to do, guess what? Everybody say, Fanny don't do video, Fanny don't do video, Fanny will beg you, Fanny will beg you, Fanny don't do video, Fanny don't do video, we beg you. Ghana police will catch you and get to Pantai. Fanny don't do video. Well, I'm doing a video, guess what? This video is to address a few abnormalities in the those my ex industry that I used to be in Ghana showbiz, yeah. My ex, Ghana showbiz is now my ex, just like Shatawale. Hey, Shatawale. Now we walk go be me Shatawale. Now we go your friend Afonso. Shatawale, Afonso says his greetings. Afonso have 3 chickens now. Hey, turkey children are called. Hey, I'm a businessman now, so if I cry small, I come small. If I cry small, I have a bad news, Ghana. But you, let's put the body. This is about my children, the DNA. Ellen Bella no mind. We stole their hairs. I'll give you a long story. Yeah, the PM, Ellen Bella, but it's my birthday. I decided to Mesuka cry. My question showers, Mesusan. But anyway, let's go on. Hey girls, you like the 6-pack girls? Hairs. How did they call your hairs? Don't joke with daddy. The day mommy came to daddy in the hotel. I'm a bad boy. Vanessa. Oh, let me picking my insider. Sadat, thank you for helping my brother out. Sadat, thank you for getting me the hairs of Ella, Bella, and a baby Kimblin. Then for me, some hairs, me go DNA. They find it out, say, Colamian sending your man. Free pantan by na masambeti another news account in anyway let me tell you na fire to waste to a telecell because me yesika think me yesika mo feel say my brother be say but telecell Vodafone the you see telecell now your network is shit and you see and there's something I build with my sweat. Vodafone Red 2012 I'm not sit down for it to be destroyed. There are moves in telecell. They are night agents in Telecell. I am a witch, so I know them. Let's get them out there, prime in Telecell. I'll work for you like a goat meat on Yame. They just release me from Pantai. They say more blue book, Pantai. You all go Pantai, yeah, Pantai, blue book, Pantai. Yeah, blue book. And they just say you are licensed to kill. Pantai, blue book. And as I'm more cry, and then you're yellow. Hey, I want you to touch me. Shout out to you, I love you, brother. I don't know. Mumbisa Mose, my ear will be my yard and I'll be sitting there. Making me about George Quay. Because he's a good brother and he's been real with me. With that being said, about you, Okwama make care for being a good person. Yeah, man. Hey, you know, say stuff like that, and the maniacs they come, man. I know if you sleep with George. You know what we discussed today, George? The shock and fear, how people can conspire. George Quay. God bless you for being a brother today. Like it have been way worse than in your way. I haven't posted the whole day because I've been in under high maniac the whole day. God bless George Quay. Can you send some betting them? God bless you, George. You see my skin now? Pantai. Like that. I'm very fair off. I said, what I say? I just that it. I just hey, that is said. So you see awards, plenty awards, but now they are women, you know. They are women. Where Ellen Bella used to be today is a woman. Because they are not my children. I'm sorry. Women, women, women. Oh God, oh God. Without them too, what will we do? Women are blessed. I keep saying it. And I'm gonna love women till I die. It ain't changing what I feel about women. Nyabem say make Timo. Ghana girls, make Timo care. Ghana girls me, make Timo care. Ghana girls, make Timo care. No matter when tell is the better the advert amount. Tell is the as a man, you go first, back when you go first, but you know people that be sleep. Black man in the mono. Many woman like that. Where as a man, and I go back for.
I deal with the anodine. Yes, and Ghana memo be a DNA test because near question. I know the now celebrities for no question. I will show you duomo. And yeah, you need tea, just a baby a bonnet, one earbo, a quaintua, a crown.